welcome back guys to another video. Today we're checking out Simmons, famous Foley artist and DJ. We've been big fans of his for a long time, so let's check it out. Here's the house.
You ballin', boy.
Fuck is today?
Yeah.
Come
Down. Right. Shoes off? Or?
Okay. Come in.
Nice house, Jack.
It's my studio in here.
Nice.
Right. Got a very strong policy in here. Don't want any mess,
Yeah.
contamination. Yeah. It's a sterile space. And be on your best behaviour. Yeah.
Yeah, completely understand.
I told you all this in the email. Alright, come in.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Yeah, nice. It's nice, homely.
Yeah, right. What did you want to see then?
Where should I sit?
Sit on my clothes.
Oh, going to move on? Or?
Do a sound check. Just warm up.
Yeah.
What we usually do in this business. We take ourselves very seriously in the sound department.
I'm not sure what process like. So.
Wet the whistle a bit. Hook. Right, got a long list of sounds we're going to do today.
Yeah.
Start off. Yeah. Fucking open this fucking can. Okay.
Yeah.
These are all props, by the way. Props.
Yeah, it's
No,
not for you.
I don't know what you accuse me of.
I didn't say anything. Do your thing.
Yeah, I'm doing my thing, so
Yeah,
it's just fucking.
Yeah.
Bad take now. Way better. Way better. I'm currently making a soundtrack for this song.
Yeah, what's it for?
Triple A budget, fucking high budget, Hollywood. It's a really serious drama.
Serious stuff, yeah.
Serious stuff.
Yeah.
This is the noise I'm going to use for the couples sort of kissing, stuff like that. It's very romantic. I like to get a big arsenal of sound
Big ass.
under my belt. Oh, fuck. Got a dual monitor set up. Yeah. It all works.
Professional.
It's all state of the art.
Yeah, I hear it. Yeah, that's pretty good. That is.
A bit more beer. fucking focus it?
Yes, yeah. Completely. Yeah.
I'm a perfect pitch, so I'll just look. I'm the Foley artist here, yeah. I know my stuff.
Yeah. Mistaken there.
Don't underestimate the role of music in film.
Keep that one in mind too.
I think it might be out of tune.
You fucking.
What was that sound for?
Breaking of bones.
Right, yeah. Get it now. Get it.
Yeah.
Get it.
Yeah.
What's on your back?
This is part of the kit. Yeah, I don't think you guys will get it. You're all cameramen. You haven't got any sound production, clearly. I mean, you don't appreciate what goes on behind the scenes. You don't.
Well,
You really
I
fucking
think
don't.
we tried to.
Yeah, is that what we're doing here?
We've been
You're not fucking helping, right?
we've been following you for a while.
Big fans.
We're just trying to get some inside information.
Right, you're not fucking taking it seriously.
No, no, please.
No. Get out.
Right, you should.
I don't know. I don't want to do this documentary anymore. I don't want to do it. Get your stuff,
okay, fine,
your fucking camera.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Get out.
I want to stay.
You want to stay?
I was enjoying it.
No. Your mate's going. You're both going.
I'm
I've had
going.
enough.
Right, let's just go.
Get out of my house. Get out. No. No. You too. Fuck.